Let's now look at the installation process in the OCI virtual instance. So I have logged in into the virtual instance. So there are sequence of steps. So the first one is the enable command. We need to enable the Oracle Linux developer repository using one of the following commands depending upon your Oracle Linux version. Anyway, I'm on version 7, so the first one should apply. So let me copy this. So that I have done. Next, go to the you need to sudo m install Terrafrom. The next step is it will take some time. So anyway, let me do sudo m install Terrafrom. So actually this will take some time depending upon your connection. Maybe it would take few minutes or up to even 10 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll pause in between instead of just keeping it going. So I'll pause times and probably I'll come back as soon as it requires some information to be provided. So it has progressed further. It took some time. There are unfinished tasks, unfinished transaction remaining. You might consider running. Some warning it has given. If they don't work, you'll have to try removing and uninstalling by hand. So let's hope it goes through. In fact, it took little longer time. So anyways, for now, we will keep it aside and this is the download size. Installed size will be like this. I'll say, is it okay? I'll say yes. Why? And this is the installation is starting. So this also is going to take some time. So here again I'll pause and whenever it is going to ask for some information, I'll get back. Anyway, it has quickly completed. So Terraform installation is completed, gives the version. And the next step is after installing Terraform, install the OCI Terraform provider. I mean, this is for the Oracle Cloud. Initially it was just Terraform, and towards providing a kind of connectivity between the OCI and Terraform, you need to perform the sudo m install Terraform provider OCI. If it is for other platform like Azure, yes, there the command will be different. Or GCP like Google Cloud or AWS, it's going to be different. Here in this case, provider is OCI. So we will do that. This also is going to take little time running the scripts. It always depends on your virtual machine, the status of the virtual machine. Probably it is always better to start a blank instance and do it. Otherwise it's fine. You can try it out with whatever you already have a virtual instance. You can still do it, but ensure that you have the CLI, OC CLI already installed before getting into the Terraform stage. So here I'll say again the size, download size and installation size. I'll say yes. This should be Y, not T. So yes. Let's see. In case if it is going to take more than a minute, then yes, I'll better pass and then get back once it gets completed. So installing, verifying, comes to the stage of verifying. Okay, I think that was pretty fast. So now let's see whether the Terraform is working fine with this command. So I think looks good. Or you can do a Terraform, I think version is also fine. Both should respond back with same answer. Yeah. So we are all done. The Terraform installation is done. The next step is all about the configuration and API key generation, and finally we got to attempt creating whatever the resource. So we will see that the progression into the configuration in the next presentation. Thank you.